Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 20th of June, and we're looking at Bitcoin actually making some green candles. Well, it's cool, right? Isn't it? It's amazing that it's making green candles. That's absolutely okay and fine to make green candles during a Monday, especially when new weekdays have started and you've been in a continuous downtrend to the downside and so many people are now bearish. The sentiments are gonna change a little bit. I don't know. There's a pending target still down here to 15,000. I don't know if it's gonna be met or not. But at the moment, we might see Bitcoin making a little bit of relief back to $22,000 as far as I see things going on. We are making a morning star here on a 4-hour time frame, so that's actually a very good sign there. So morning star right over here, and from this morning star there's a good chance that you actually get a green candle all the way towards $22,000. So bringing in the EMAs, it's all about the EMAs right now. You can already see that we are bouncing off the 10 and the 20. It seems like the retest of the 10 and the 20 is successful, and all that is left is actually come up here to the 55 EMA, and that's gonna be $22,212, right? So if you actually do make that move to the upside, that would be amazing. But there's one more resistance that I actually want to point out before we get super positive here. I'm just gonna bring that resistance right over there, something like this. It's actually up here, so I think it's actually quite safe. There was one resistance that I was looking for if it's gonna be broken or not, and that resistance was here. So this resistance, you can see something like this one, okay? So if you end up closing in the next like 3 hours below this level, then there's a good chance that you're not gonna move to the upside and still go to the downside. Why? You do have one touch here, second, third, a little bit of support previously came up, got rejected here once, and if you actually start to roll over down again in the market, then you're going to actually go further down. So you don't want to lose 20,300. Now this was an important level. I even mentioned in the signals as well that 20,300 is important. If it actually does break it, then you're really looking for Bitcoin to actually come and retest the $22,000, and from here probably get rejected and then boom, move to the downside. And that's it for this quick update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.